Alright guys, so in today's video we're gonna talk about why we are right now at a crucial moment in the crypto space. As you can see right now, most of the cryptocurrencies right now, guys, are in the red, are down, and we're gonna talk about why these are the moments where wealth creation happens, where millionaires get created, guys. These are the moments that make the rich of the bull market, guys, and that's what we're gonna talk about here, guys, in this video right now, guys. As we are seeing right now, recently we have a war going on here, and we have billionaire Paul Tudor Jones backs Bitcoin and gold as geopolitical risks rise. Right now, guys, Bitcoin is still holding that 27k. Amid all the uncertainty we are having right now in the market, Bitcoin is standing at 27k. Now go figure, guys. Now Bitcoin hasn't known as many major events as what we are having right now, guys. The last 2 years, 3 years, Bitcoin hasn't known that much major events happening in the world, and right now Bitcoin is standing at 27k, guys. This tells you a lot about the future of cryptocurrencies. And as I said, guys, right now everyone is leaving the crypto space. Everyone is scared right now, and I seen this the last bear market. The same thing happened, guys. The same thing, that whenever we get those red days, people get exhausted, start leaving the market, and then real smart money start buying the bags before we get that bull market. And as we can see here, guys, the crypto fear and greed index now is slowly tipping toward that fear, but we've been onto that neutral for a long time right now, which shows that nobody knows exactly what's going on here. Everyone is waiting for something to happen, which in my opinion, guys, right now, if we get a dip, it is going to be the last dip, guys, before the bull market. And this is here something important as well. As we all know right now, guys, all of the assets depend on this guy, Jerome Powell. Here we need the Fed to start cutting interest rates, start printing again, and as soon as this happens, we get a major bull run. Basically, this is what happened when we had this bull market starting. We had the COVID crash, and then the Fed started printing, and that's what we're waiting for here, guys. So experts are saying Fed won't begin cutting interest rates until 2024 as officials keep tackling inflation. Now, something I need to warn you about, guys, is if experts are expecting rate cuts by next year, usually they buy way before. They do not wait until the news happen. They are more into the buy the rumors, sell the news kind of thing. And most often you will hear people telling you we're heading lower, just because most of the people in the crypto space do not understand these things. They're still taking everything literally as we're gonna get more rate hikes. People won't start printing. This won't happen. They're just going off emotions here, guys. As you can see, guys, last year 2022, everyone was saying we're getting a recession, 2023 a recession, and what we got is Bitcoin rallying, the whole crypto space rallying. Now they're saying the same thing again. At the end of the year, they are saying we're going down, everything is gonna dump, everything is going down, the crypto space is done, we have wars, we have this, we have that, and then guess what is gonna happen next year, guys? We're going up. That's what usually happens. They tell you at the end of the year we're going down, next year we go up, and then we do this again. Now granted, we might get another dip here, guys. As the market is heavy right now, we need to get another dip just to get people, to motivate people a little bit, to push them a little bit to get into the space. But as I said, guys, this would be maybe the last dip. This would be the last dip, and we might not even get it. We might just get Bitcoin just slowly flirting with that 25k, and then we send it from here. And you need to know something. Stocks, guys, already got close to their all-time high. Stocks already got to close to their all-time high, which means now this would put BTC around that 50k. And from here, BTC going to 50k is still not a bull market. It's still just BTC still putting a lower high, or what the stocks or the S&P did right now. So BTC is still on that undervalued area, which means, guys, it won't surprise me that we go to that 25k and we push up higher toward that 40, 50k, and Bitcoin would still just follow the path of the S&P or of the stocks, just putting a lower high, and then people will start screaming again, oh, we're going higher, we're going higher. But the point here, guys, when investing, we're trying to be early. We're not trying to catch a move at the middle or at the high. We're trying to be early. And the point here, guys, is what I want to say is, if we do get a dip, this would be the last dip. That's my message to you guys. This would be, or could be, the last dip before we go higher. And as I said, even if we do this and go back to 40k will seem such a high price for Bitcoin. But if we look at the bigger picture, it's still a lower low from here, which means, guys, it's nothing. It's 40k, it's nothing, knowing that the S&P and stock market gets closer to their all-time high here, guys. This year we get closer to the all-time high, and Bitcoin is barely there, guys. Bitcoin is barely there. As I said, if we get to 40K, this won't be even the start of a bull market, and you would have missed the second dip, and we won't get that dip again. Maybe Bitcoin would retrace back to that 35K, and then we go up again. So the point here, guys, is don't get fooled with people calling lower, Here, Bitcoin is still at that undervalued level. Here at 27K, Bitcoin is still close or at undervalued level. If we just go back toward the 24K, 25K, and we push higher, this would still just put Bitcoin closer to the stock market level. So that's what I'm saying, guys. The next step would be probably the last step, and we push up higher. And from there, we would see start of the bull market, guys. From there, from 40K, then we'll go back maybe to 35K, then we'll keep going, grinding higher towards the next year when this starts to get popular, where the Fed start cutting interest rates and where people start to catch up with the news. Then probably, guys, we'll be halfway through the crypto pump that most people will have missed here because people are calling for lower. So just a side note, guys, this is where most of the people that made money in 2021, guys, people that made money in the crypto bull run 2021, they were buying at these levels here, guys, that we are at right now here. They were buying the dips, and any dips we get from here, I'm personally looking at them as an opportunity. Any dip that we get right now is an opportunity. This is where we accumulate more altcoins to wait for the bull market. Those are not places to have fear, to be fearful, and to expect lower prices. That's how people get rich from the crypto space, guys. People get rich from the crypto space is people who buy the dips and they forget about the noise. They cut off the noise, they forget what's going on here, and they just buy the dips. And probably the next dip is the last one, guys, and then we go up higher. So that's my humble opinion right now, guys. For me, I've already started buying the dips, and I'm gonna buy even more dips if we get that last dip. And as always, guys, I'll keep you updated on my channel, and I'm coming up soon with a video where I share with you most of the altcoins that I'm buying that I think would be the best picks for the next bull market. And if you are trading derivatives, guys, you can check out FairDesk. You don't need no KYC, no VPN to join this exchange. And right now there is a huge competition going on with up to 1.8 million USDT for grabs for the winners, as well as 4,000 daily bonuses for top 10 traders. And you can trade most of the altcoins here, guys, as well. I'll leave you the link in the description for those that are interested. Now again, guys, if you enjoy this type of videos, please leave a like and subscribe. And don't forget, this is my humble opinion. Nothing is financial advice, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.